look it up. I see. I just don't want to miss you ladies. Just thinking of all you ladies, okay? Because I'm right here focused on the nails. So I would definitely gonna try to look at that. As you can see the effects from the chromes underneath. You can using a transfer foils, like a chrome transfer foils underneath. It looks great too. But then this one is the consistency though. So one layer of condensed glue gels, and do not afraid of to blend it out nicely because it's really thick density. That's how it is the powerful and is condensed to holding your crystal, your flat back crystal, your 3D crystal, your charm, your chains, and all your accessories on the nails, encapsulating your glitters, encapsulating your stickers, and will keep it last up between 3 to 6 weeks with the proper application. So no wipe top coat on the top. So this is the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat will help grab the base of the crystals in one place. So I am going to using one of my really favorites and newest dragon scale. So if you feel it's like a halo side, which is that the one that you want to put it on, like on the side you place them on, and the one is a little bit of crease raised up, that's the one you're gonna place it to give it effects of shiny of dragon scale. And the best way to do dragon scale is to place them right in the middle first, and then you have a center of it, and then you can go from there. You can branch it out on the side. That's the best way, so then you will never have to worry about if you get it in the right or even direction. I'll get the, what's my green? Okay, some of green's opal. Okay, super cute one right there. I don't know if you can see my frames on the side. I have it right here on my side. You might see it. I'm really obsessed with this. Dragon scale. I'm using just on my side right here. I'm sorry, let me move this one a little bit. Hey Sarah. Thank you, Zoe. And you can do another frame if you want to. Let me move this so you can see it. All right, hold on. A little bit glittery right here. There you go, much better. I can really sitting here and playing this whole day with a lot of different frames and charms, everything. It was like a little bit of accessory to make it looks like cute. frame right there. I didn't want to do too much to cover the cute chromes underneath. It's really simple, easy. You can dress them a lot of more, which is I can go on, and our life gonna be like whole day. I can sit here and stream for 8 hours with all of you. We're just like, hold on, it's gonna do this first sections and stream it first, liquid and powder, seconds, crystal placement, next, gel painting, all day with you. You just need to go get lunch and come back and join us again. You see that how much excited I have. All right, so I'm not worried about this. This beads is one everywhere, which is totally fine, because with the crystal then I really have to be careful because I don't want the crystal contaminated with the condensed glue gel. But the frames I'm not afraid of because it doesn't hurt at all. Jessica, hello, sweetie. How are you? Rave about nails. Just want to say hello to everyone, okay? Because whenever I get time to look it up, and I say hello to everyone. But if I'm not, just no offense and just busy down here doing a nails, beautiful nails for you, so you can able to enjoy and learn something. So you don't have to be completely like place all that beads on it. I just really want to look really nice and dramatic, like really simple, but it's just luxury. I don't know whatever you will think. Just add the best way when and where should you put the beads on, wherever you see the connection between the crystals and dragon scales, and then the crystal between crystal and crystal. So then that's the spot you want to place your bead in there, because it's really make it looks like emphasize and stand out. It looks like a jewelry instead of just pie of all the crystals on it. I think I did got it everything, did I? And I was like, keep on and on. So, and then also if this one is really cool, and a lot of questions on how you can able to charge the clients, how able you can price for the client to be fair. For instance, if you place just the crystal only with no beads, with no charms and chains like this, you can charge the clients between $7 or $10 per nails. But when you start doing really dramatic and dress them up nice like this, the price between $15 $20 per nails, which is a fair for the clients and fair for you as well. All right, so I think I'm happy with this. I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds and let's move to the next one. I really obsessed with this. So cute.